Hello, I'm Christopher Weiss, a technical trainer at ClearOne. I'm here today to unbox one of our exciting new products, the CONVERGENCE AV Manager. Let's take a look inside. CONVERGENCE AV Manager is a unified AV network management platform to monitor, control, and audit ClearOne Pro audio and video products and services from any location worldwide. CONVERGENCE AV Managers support real-time system access that provide at-a-glance and all-inclusive dashboard views with auto-discovery of pro audio devices. It also scales to support organizations of any size, large or small. Likewise, the managers also facilitate user support with built-in video, audio, and chat tools for real-time communications. Access rights can be specified by organization, user, and role. If you want to use CONVERGENCE for recurring revenue, client-tenant usage can be conveniently tracked for invoicing and optional auto-payment reminders. With CONVERGENCE, you can easily update Converge DSP mixers and P-Link peripherals via remote downloads and uploads of project files. Efficiently back up or restore multiple project files system-wide simultaneously. Perform remote batch firmware updates on multiple audio or video devices at once. Receive notifications of new firmware through Update Available icon badges. Directly provision Converge Pro 2 VoIP lines and new VoIP registration status. Configure and manage Collaborate Live codecs and Collaborate Space user accounts. Enjoy the convenience of user preferences and single sign-on access through LDAP connectivity. Rely on the fully secured HTTPS encrypted cloud servers and strong 256-bit encrypted password management for both users and devices. You know you can afford it because you will save time, travel, and money. We have free CONVERGENCE AV Manager certification training on our training website at clearone.com/live-webinar-training. For a limited time, you can take advantage of a free trial license until 2023. Afterwards, work with your sales team to purchase a reasonable yearly software license subscription based on the maximum number of audio devices you expect to support. Contact your ClearOne sales team today or visit us at clearone.com to get started with this powerful AV management platform. Thank you for your time.